This morning, I just went all in on Stacks, the Bitcoin Layer 2 solution for all things Bitcoin DeFi. This is by far and large the most successful Layer 2 that has been created for Bitcoin yet. And today I want to talk to you guys about why I made this big purchase, how much Stacks I bought, where I think this token could go, and some of the big players in this space. Where can you go to trade these tokens? What are the competitors out there when it comes to the exchanges where you can actually buy these things? And let's look at some of the other tokens and give an update, because after I bought this morning, the price is dipping. What's going on with the crypto markets today? Let's talk a little bit about it in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk about Stacks, the Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, which I bought $22,000 worth of this morning. That's right, guys. I bought 7,000 stacks or so this morning, posted it on Twitter, and you know, guys, I did it for a very good reason. When we first started talking about stacks, this coin was not even in the top 50. Today, this coin right now is rank number 27 with a $3.95 billion market cap. When you look at the venture capital that has been investing into the crypto space over the last year or so, one of the biggest areas that they are putting their money is into Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions. And the biggest solution for this DeFi narrative is Stacks right now by market cap, also by the trading volumes that are going on these token protocols within the Stacks ecosystem. So I bought into this, and I own a lot of meme tokens within this ecosystem as well. Again, today, these coins are dipping on the 24-hour time frame. Welsh is down 16%. That's the first dog meme ever built on top of Bitcoin via Stacks. You can see Alex token, which is the utility token and the governance token for the Alex Labs Bitcoin DeFi finance platform. That coin is down a little bit today as well. Pretty much everything is in the red today. There are a couple gainers in this market over the last 24 hours, but most of these tokens, guys, are just down on the day. Because why? Because there's a broader sell-off going on right now for Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin's down to $64,000. Just this morning, it was up to $66,000 in change, and at the time of this recording, it's now at 64K. So when Bitcoin dips, the whole market dips as well. One thing to be aware of, guys, is we are right now in a channel for Bitcoin, and so we haven't really broken out into any significant upside or downside yet. A lot of people get scared on some of these dips. But the truth is, guys, is we could be playing around in this range for a while until we're just not, whether we break down below it and we go back down to the 52K region, or whether we break above it, break past our previous high from the last bull market, 69K, and through our most recent high that we hit just back in March, which is unbelievable. Almost over a month ago at this point, Bitcoin was at 74K. So either way, guys, this thing could go up, could go down. Keep an eye on it. But I bought Stacks today. Even though it started to dip after I bought Stacks today because this token is so close to breaking through its previous all-time highs. I'm not buying it at the absolute peak at $3.90 where it got to recently. Instead, I got it at about a price of $2.95 today. And could this thing go lower? The answer is yes, it could go lower, but that does not matter to me in the next month or 2 months. I am buying this token because I believe over the next 6 to 10 months, this token is going to be one of the top performing mid to large cap plays out there because of the Bitcoin DeFi narrative that I personally believe is inevitable, guys. That's what I believe. I think this token, Stacks specifically, can go 10x from here, get up to a possibly $40 or $50 billion market cap, possibly even higher, but I would not be surprised to see a price for the Stacks token well above $30 at some point in this bull market, because that is how crypto happens sometimes. Here's a good example. If you look at Solana from the bottom to the top, so far, this coin has already done a 17x. At one point, it was up 24x. And I do think there's going to be a lot of other plays that make moves like that moving forward into the future. And I think Stacks can be one of them. Because in a parabolic bull market, we get a lot of big gaining tokens. Now, this is one of the biggest things that makes me so incredibly bullish on Stacks, besides the fact that it's the leader in L2s for Bitcoin. They have the Nakamoto upgrade coming. And what this does is brings the transaction times on this network from 10 to 30 minutes down to under 4 seconds. And so they have officially begun the Nakamoto upgrade. It began at block 8,000 or 800,000, 840,360. And this is a two-step rollout. So just some details for you guys to know. The mainnet activation, and so like the actual launch of this thing and the actual impact on the transaction times isn't going to come until about May 15th to May 29th. So what that means, guys, is we don't even see that crazy meme coin mania that I've been hypothesizing about. We won't even see really that mad rush to Stacks, in my opinion, until after this upgrade is complete, unless, of course, there is a buy the rumor event playing out with this, and now all of a sudden people start FOMOing into Stacks ahead of this upgrade, which launches on the 15th. We have to also be aware of a potential buy the rumor, sell the news event. But I'm not worried about the next month, the next 2 months. Instead, what I'm thinking about is the next 6 to 10 months, the rest of the bull market, right? And it could be 12 or 18 months, as some people say. I'm more in the, hey, I think the bull market's going to be over in 12 months camp from current date, which is April, right? So next April, I think the show is over, unless, of course, we get a broader sell-off in the crypto market. Now, just because I went all in on this token today doesn't mean that I'm done buying. In fact, I want to get more of the tokens within this space. Here's a token that I don't own right now, Velar. But Velar isn't just a token within the Stacks ecosystem. In fact, this is a DeFi protocol where you can go to buy, sell, trade, stake. And you know what? You can even go into this app right here. I'll just click right into it. You can do a variety of things in this. You can do, there's a launch pad, there's airdrops, there's a bridge, there's reward systems with points, there's farms, there's pools. And so this is one of the places you can go to interact with the Stacks ecosystem, and there is a token associated with the Velar platform. The interesting thing about this Velar platform right now is that actually Alex Labs was the first and biggest super app in this space, and it's got 107K followers on Twitter. This is also a fantastic platform to go trade and buy and sell and pool for Bitcoin DeFi. But now Velar has come along, and recently they have actually become the top choice for token swaps when it comes to trading Stacks tokens. So this is a very interesting thing that I'm kind of watching play out. In the broader scheme of things, guys, the bull market's here. It's begun. We were buying through the bear market, and I'm still accumulating. As you can see from my buy earlier today, I am definitely still accumulating as much as I can because I believe that this bull market is just getting going. Eventually, I think that we will see a Bitcoin over $100,000. We'll kind of creep our way back up along this white line here and get to $100,000, maybe $200,000 Bitcoin. Who knows, guys? Maybe more, but I like to set the expectations a little more conservative than thinking about a 200K Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's a huge market cap. Now, Stacks can go up a lot higher because the money that's in the Bitcoin economy, as I'd like to call it, that can start flowing into some of the altcoins within the Bitcoin DeFi space. And the largest narrative for Bitcoin DeFi is the Stacks Layer 2 solution narrative. And so I think that billions of dollars could flow into Stacks as the price of Bitcoin goes up and as a broader altcoin rally happens as well. And that's part of the big reason that I did buy this today, because I believe that a broader altcoin rally is inevitable for these markets. If you look at what's been going on with Bitcoin, I've been showing this to my audience for quite a while now, looking at just kind of the narrative on, and here's the monthly candles for you. It's really been about 52 days so far, and I'm going to update this number while we're doing this video right here. Been about 52 days so far, give or take a day or two, since we have wicked past our previous all-time high back from the 2021 bull market. And in the past, when we wicked above the previous bull market highs, it took 18 days in 2020 to break into a parabolic Bitcoin bull market, which was then a catalyst for an altcoin rally as well. In 2017, it took 55 days once we wicked above the 2013 highs for it to break into a parabolic rally, which also triggered then back in this bull market, the altcoin rally as well. This is the overall total market cap, guys. And if you're in a world where you actually believe that Bitcoin DeFi, if it's effective, if it's cheap, if it's fast, isn't going to be successful with the market cap that Bitcoin has, then, I think you're going to be shocked with the performance of the Stacks token, guys. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy on the internet that loves cryptocurrency. My partner on this channel, Black Sea, loves cryptocurrency as well. We've been investing in cryptocurrency since 2016, and we have some new picks this year that we're excited to share with you. One of those hot plays is Stacks. I'm obviously going all in on it as often as I can. I've been talking a lot about it lately. I own a variety of the meme coins within the Stacks ecosystem as well, and I'm bullish on those as well simply because I know that when an ecosystem is hot, whether it's an L1 or L2, that there's a lot of altcoins within those ecosystems that succeed as well. And the smaller the market cap, the more risk. And if it's a meme coin, add on 10x more risk to whatever it is that you're buying when you're talking about meme coins. But inevitably, I think the Stacks ecosystem will be big. Keep an eye out for the key dates coming up for Stacks. The estimate, guys, is that this Nakamoto upgrade is expected to officially be complete around the 15th of May to the end of May, about May 29th. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Do you believe that a Stacks meme coin mania, a Stacks altcoin mania, a Stacks token bull market is inevitable as I do? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.